Welcome to Arts and Crafts with me, Griselda. Today we are making some pictures out of salt. We need some glue, and this is the one that we're going to use to draw. You can draw previously with some marker, but I'm going to use straight the glue, and then I'm going to use these colors. You're going to notice that I've used them in another video, and maybe that's a good thing of putting them in a jar because you can reuse them, and then you can put a lid on top and use them every time you want. And I have some water here for the brush, and salt. For sure you will have lots of salt. If you want, you can use sugar as well. I prefer salt because it's more crystallized. Anyway, I'm going to make a butterfly. I have made previously a heart. It's nice, right? I'm going to make a butterfly. I'll try to make a nice one. Let's see. Now take salt. I'm gonna use this part that has the holes, and then just go and pour it over. Now I have a container here where I'm gonna put all the extra salt. You can put it in the bin, or you can also take a tray or a container. There it is. Like some salt is glued on the glue. And then what you need is to start coloring. You don't have to wait for it to get dry. When you put water on it, you will see that the salt will dissolve a little bit, but then you will just let it dry and everything's going to be okay. Remember, water, color. Let's see how it's going to go. I'm going to put it here, that's fine. Oh, like I had some blue in the brush and I mixed it with some yellow, and guess what? It turned in green. So I have already finished coloring, and you can see it will look like that. Thank you, don't hesitate to try it and send us your videos and pictures. And subscribe. Bye bye!